What if I told you I ate 100 eggs in just 1 week? Most people would think I'm crazy, or that my cholesterol must have skyrocketed to dangerous levels. But what actually happened might completely change the way you think about eggs and cholesterol forever. This isn't just a story about numbers. It's about how most of us have been looking at eggs and cholesterol all wrong, and how that misunderstanding could be putting your health at risk. It all started with a simple question. Does eating a lot of eggs really destroy your heart health? For decades, we've been told to avoid eggs because they're loaded with cholesterol. Doctors, nutritionists, even our parents repeated the same advice. Too many eggs will clog your arteries. But is that actually true? I decided to put it to the test in the most extreme way possible, by eating 15 eggs every single day for 7 straight days. Yes, that's 105 eggs total. And no, it wasn't easy. I tried every recipe you can imagine. Scrambled, boiled omelets, even blended into shakes. By day 4, I was tired of eggs. By day 6, I was questioning my life choices. But I was committed. I wanted to know the truth. After the week was over, it was time for blood tests. And I know what you're thinking. Did your cholesterol go through the roof? Well, yes and no. My total cholesterol number did go up. That's a fact. But here's the thing. That's not the full story. And if you only look at that number, you might completely misunderstand what's happening in your body. Most people think cholesterol is simply good or bad. HDL is good, LDL is bad. Keep your total cholesterol low and you'll live forever. But the truth is much more complex. Cholesterol itself isn't the enemy. In fact, your body needs cholesterol. It's used to build cell membranes, produce hormones like testosterone and estrogen, and even help your brain function properly. The real problem is oxidized LDL, small, dense particles of cholesterol that have been damaged by inflammation. These are the ones that can stick to artery walls, forming dangerous plaques. So what really matters is not just how much cholesterol you have, but what kind of particles they are, whether they're damaged, and how your body is managing them. After 100 eggs in 7 days, my results looked like this. HDL, the good cholesterol, went up. This is great news because HDL helps remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream. Triglycerides stayed low. High triglycerides are a major risk factor for heart disease, often linked to sugar and processed carbs, not dietary fat. LDL did go up, but the particle size changed. More large, fluffy LDL particles appeared, which are far less dangerous than small, dense ones. Homocysteine dropped. This amino acid is linked to heart disease risk, and lower numbers are better. Thyroid function improved slightly, possibly due to the nutrient density of eggs. So instead of my heart health getting worse, many markers actually improved. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. They're rich in choline, which is essential for brain health. They contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, and a range of vitamins and minerals. The fear of eggs came from outdated research that linked dietary cholesterol directly to blood cholesterol. But modern science shows it's not that simple. For most people, dietary cholesterol has only a small impact on blood cholesterol levels, and the biggest risks come from inflammation. Poor diet quality, smoking, stress, and lack of exercise. If you want to protect your heart, focus less on avoiding eggs and more on avoiding processed vegetable oils, refined sugar, salt, processed AWO, ultra-processed, junk food, chronic stress, and poor sleep. These are the factors that drive inflammation, damage cholesterol particles, and increase your real risk of heart attack. Now, I'm not telling you to go eat 100 eggs in a week. That was an extreme experiment to prove a point, and your results might be different, especially if you have certain medical conditions. Always talk to your doctor before making radical changes to your diet. But I am telling you not to fear eggs blindly. Learn how to read your blood work beyond just total cholesterol. Look at HDL, triglycerides, inflammation markers, and LDL particle size. The week I ate 100 eggs didn't kill me. In fact, it taught me one of the most important lessons about nutrition. Food is not the enemy. Misinformation is. If you know someone who's taking cholesterol medication without understanding their actual risk, share this information with them. It might just save their life. And if you want to know the single most overlooked marker for heart health, one that could predict your risk years before a heart attack happens, stay tuned, because that's coming up next time.